today in this video we are going to draw a light fury. So first, from here, we draw the ear like this, and then back down like this. Then from here, go like this, and then go like this for the other ear. Then go like very thinly, go like this, straight down, and then from here, huge ones. After, draw this and then do this. We go like that and like that. We'll color it inside later. Then go like this and then go white up the edge. One big one and one small one here. Then tail lights. Then for the front bit, draw this. Then go down. Draw one leg like this and the other one like this. Then go down and draw it. Then to draw the wing, draw this line. And then from here, and then like this, then color in here. Then for the tail, make out from here, and then here, get down, this go down, like that. To put in the shade, from here you get lighter until you get to white. Here, and here as well. After you're done, get your blue, color in the eye with blue. Then overline the things that you did with your pencil and color in the eye with the pen. Outline the ears with the marker and then outline the rest of the body. Well done, you have finished your life, Yuri. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!